What's up guys, welcome back to Peterama. In today's episode we are going to be installing the K&N cold air intake in our 2016 Ford Fusion. It's going to be awesome, but we're not going to do it here. We're going to go and visit my sister at her place. Well, I probably won't see her, but a little bit of a drive to get out there, but it's going to be awesome because she lives out in the country. It's a pretty nice place, not going to lie, that's nice. It's going to be indoor. Yeah, kind of looking forward to getting started. You guys ready? Alright, so we're just getting everything packed up. I'm not taking all the tools, just a little bit. There you go. That's all we really need. Don't need much to do this. Pretty simple. Should only take about an hour, maybe two, to whole drive and everything. So, alright. We've got special guest Sirius M driving with us today, again, which is kind of good. Awesome. Always enjoy having Sirius M along for the ride. Needs a lot of help. He'll be my cameraman, possibly. Alright, we're ready to go. I hate driving my Fusion down gravel roads, but my sister lives down one, so unfortunately, I have to, but that's what you gotta do if you want to have the luxury of doing shit in the garage. Okay guys, we made it to my sister's house and check it out. Yeah, nice little country cottage. Love it. Okay, and we're gonna use this garage right here to get the job done. Let's go. This dog. Alright, let's go. Let's check this place out. Here's where we'll be able to work. Oh, check for spiders. You always check for spiders. Woo! Nice and clean there. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is where we'll be doing our work. Right here in this awesome garage. Piece of cake. So I do like the way it just spreads that amber color around. It's not just that bright amber, so the smoke effect kind of does something. A little yellow tab. Woo! 2.0 lead. Yeah, I realize it's not a very big engine, but we're not going to get a hell of a lot more out of it. Well, maybe we can, but it's definitely just a small project car for now until we get something better to work on. But I just want to make it give it a little more, make it a little more fun, you know what I mean? Alright, so at this point we basically just got the cover off, batteries disconnected, and we're gonna install our intake now. I don't know if you guys want to see that whole process or not. There's like lots of other videos out there already about it. I might just show you from time to time. There's little spots here and there about how it's coming. Ran into a bit of a snag. God damn it. Seatbelt.
I don't have mine either.
We need to go drill out a part because I have some weird different temperature sensor than the bolt-on type, so I gotta drill this out. And I don't have that tool here, so I'm gonna go someplace where I do have that tool, and that's my brother's place. See guys, live out in the country, like my whole family lives out in the country. This is how we have to get around driving on these gravel roads. But it's awesome, beautiful country. We'll be there in like 20 minutes, maybe not.
Hey guys, so last night we ran into a little snag. My temperature sensor wasn't the right size for that hole. It wasn't the bolt-on kind, it was the twist-in kind, the quarter-turn locking kind. And so because of that we had to go and run over to my brother's place to drill out the hole larger, which we did. And we actually did get it installed. It took like 10 minutes after that. It wasn't even long. Just had to get that stupid temperature sensor in, and after that went fine. Everything's in there. So I'll give you guys a demo of what it sounds like here in a minute. Alright guys, so we're going to go outside and we're going to listen to Fusion. And I'm going to show you the part installed. It's kind of amazing. I live in such a small town, but this frickin' road is so goddamn busy. It's like a highway. There's our cold air intake. Okay, so you guys want to hear it? Let's rock and roll. Yeah, a bit of a cold start this morning. It's not too cold out here, but not too hot either.
That's how it sounds, folks. All right.
Is as normal, missing someone.